Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. Today I want to share with you the fastest and easiest technique of how to bleach sublimated t-shirts. This class or tutorial is perfect for beginners. I will show you the step-by-step process. List of the products you will need, how to work and print the design, how to sublimate it, and how to bleach the t-shirts. First, we're going to prepare and print the sublimation design. For the design, I'm going to be using Inkscape. If you don't have Inkscape and you would like to download it, go to inkscape.org. Click on download and pick the version that is right for your computer. I already have it installed in my computer, so I will go back to Inkscape. Now I will insert the design that I'm going to be working with. First, I'm going to change the size of the canvas. Go to File, Document Properties. You will see this window. Now select the size you're going to be printing. I will be printing on a letter size. Next, go to File and click on Import. Select your design, open it, and click OK. Select and place the design inside the letter size canvas. I will be resizing the design. I will stretch it to fit on the letter size. I want to print the biggest size I can. But if you need to print on a specific design, go to the bar on top and switch from millimeters to inches. Click on the lock and type the specific measurements you wish to print. Also, you may use the arrows around the design to resize. Now I have it ready to print. Go to File, click on Print, select your printer, and click on Preferences. This time I'm printing on letter size. The paper type is going to be Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On Quality, select High. Go to More Options, uncheck High Speed, and it's very important to check on Mirror Mode. For sublimation, always click on Mirror Mode, especially if you are printing text. If you wish to set up the printing preferences for sublimation so you don't have to do it every time you print, visit me on my channel, go to the video section and look for the tutorial of how to set up the printing preferences for sublimation. I will also leave the link in the video description and on the eye above. Now click on Print. It will show you a preview. Make sure it's the way you need it and that is on mirror mode. Now print. And for the next step, we're going to need a printer with sublimation ink, sublimation paper. Both ink and paper I use are Hippo brand. To press the sublimation design, we can use a heat press or an easy press. I am using a Cricut easy press, butcher or parchment paper, heat resistant tape, a lint roller, and the blank t-shirts. I am using soft tile from Gildan in heather colors, 65% polyester and 35% cotton. I will leave the link of the product used in this tutorial in the video description. Also, if you like the design used in this tutorial, you can find it in the video description. The design is from Creative Fabrica, but I have added some details to it. Here is the printed design. We will go ahead and sublimate it. But before, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. Let's fold the T in half, place a piece of parchment or butcher paper on top, and press to create a fold to guide us to align and center the design. Next, place a piece of butcher paper inside the T to protect the back of the t-shirt. And before we align the design, let's clean the surface with a lint roller. Now let's align the design and secure it with heat-resistant tape. Before pressing, place a piece of butcher or parchment paper on top of the design. Next, press for 50 seconds at 400 degrees. As you can see, I am using the Cricut Easy Press. Since the Easy Press is smaller than the design, I will add pressure to it and move it up and down very fast. That's why it's very important to secure the design with heat-resistant tape, so it doesn't move while doing this process. Remove the paper to reveal the design. Even though it's a colored t-shirt, the design looks beautiful. After bleaching, it will look even better. Let's move to the next step. We're going to bleach the sublimated t-shirt. The materials we're going to need for this process are liquid concentrated bleach, not splashless, a spray bottle, a small glass container, and a synthetic brush to apply the bleach, peroxide and a spray bottle for it, all-purpose flour, and a small brush. Before start bleaching, we're going to place a cardboard or a plastic bag inside of the tea. I am using a trash bag. You can start bleaching on top of the design, but I am going to cut around the old sublimation paper, then place it on top of the design and draw a template using the all-purpose flour and the small brush. Now let's bleach the sublimated design. We can use the spray bottle or the synthetic brush. I like to use the synthetic brush. If you wish, you could add a few drops of bleach around the design or in other parts of the t-shirt. You could use the spray bottle or shake the brush on top of the t-shirt. After applying the bleach, let's place the t-shirt in the sunlight until they dry or until you get the desired tone. After it dries, you could turn it around and add a few drops of bleach on the back of the shirt. Next, we're going to neutralize the bleach using peroxide. Spray liberally on top of the bleached area. After that, let's wash and dry the t-shirts. And here are our Bleach Sublimated t-shirts. In my opinion, this is the fastest and easiest way to bleach our sublimated tees. Sublimate first and then bleach. Remember to check the video description down below to find the links of the design and products used in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.